You don't have permission to film me.
I just need to get your name, ma'am. What is it?
I'm virtually ignoring somebody.
Ma'am, I'm talking to you as a member of the public that you work for.
You're actually harassing me.
No, I'm not. Do you know the definition of harassment, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
I need help. I need. Oh, you're bumping into me?
So you can just have a seat right there.
That's harassment. Look at you, ma'am. You're just walking right into me. What's wrong with you, ma'am? I don't know who you think you are, lady. I came up to you very polite, trying to ask your name and your position here. And now you're just plowing into me and saying that I'm harassing you? What's wrong with you? That's against the law, ma'am. That's battery. You can't just come in and plow into my camera. This audit wasn't actually intended to be an audit at all. What you're about to see is the aftermath of a previous video I recorded with ANCAP Copwatch and For the Record back in March of 2024. I'll leave a link to that video down in the description and pinned comment if you want the full backstory, but it's not necessary to understand what happens here. Anyway, we're here to file a complaint, and while editing this footage, I was reminded just how absolutely insufferable this public employee was. Watching this back genuinely irritated me all over again, and I have a feeling many of you are going to feel the same way. So if you'd like to exercise your First Amendment right to petition your government for a redress of grievances, all of the relevant contact information will be in the description and pinned comment. In my opinion, this public employee, Ruth Smith, has no business working in a position that serves the public. Period. All right, guys, let's get into it. All right, guys, now we're at the Bernalillo County. I don't even know what this is. I just followed these guys. We're coming over here to file a complaint on Sergeant Allen for threatening us with arrest for exercising our rights. So let's go see how it goes in here.
Hello, how can I help you?
How's it going? Good. We need to file a complaint on a deputy.
You can let them know at the front so somebody can come down.
Okay, thank you.
Cool, thank you.
How's it going?
Good.
Can you do us a favor? The guy over there said that you could call IA for us. We need to speak with someone in IA to file a complaint.
Sheriff IA, please.
I'm IT.
Oh, you're the IT, okay.
Yeah.
So that's it? Just
Yeah.
no direction or anything?
I don't know the number to the IA. I'm sure that's somebody else.
Oh, it's just somebody else. Okay. Well, thanks for the help, man. Somebody else, I guess. Just ignore us. I've talked before about my sense of entitlement when it comes to government customer service. And yes, I absolutely do feel entitled to suburb service from the government because I'm forced to pay for it. If the government is going to compel people under the threat of violence for these services, then the services I receive better go above and beyond. I don't care whether this guy works in IT or not. He was standing at the front desk that another employee directed me to. And instead of simply helping or communicating like a normal human being, he just sat there and ignored me. And real quick, let's take a look back at that warm greeting he gave me. How's it going?
Good.
He's not the
Sheriff's Department?
We want to get internal affairs, IA, from the Sheriff's Department.
I don't...
Can you call him? Come down here?
Here's the star of the show, but notice something. This is already the third person we've talked to just trying to file a complaint. Why does nobody seem to know the process? And this isn't rare, it happens all the time. People get bounced around, ignored, and sent in circles anytime they try to complain about police. At some point, it starts feeling intentional.
Let me ask my coworkers. I've never done that before. I don't know how that's done.
You know my buddy out here?
What are you trying to do?
Hey, we just need somebody to call IA for us, I guess, because we need to speak with an officer from IA.
IA? Okay.
The Sheriff's IA, please.
Okay, let me get someone.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
What's your name?
Richard?
Free American.
Okay.
They have a whole office.
Someone on their way?
I'm trying to get a hold of someone.
Still are?
Yeah,
Okay.
no one's here.
You know I don't care about the rules, I care about...
What's...
This is not private property, this is public property.
No, but individuals are not private property. Individuals are...
You're in a public space, you're a public official. You don't have a right to privacy as long as you're in public.
That's not true.
You're wrong. You're absolutely wrong.
I'll let you do what you guys do. I'll be outside if you let me know if you need anything.
You're wrong.
You see that one of my videos?
Fine, she can take a picture of us. Hey, just go talk to her nice. It's okay. Hey, man, it's all right. You can take a picture of us. It's not that big a deal.
Some of us do, some of us don't.
Sometimes you learn, sometimes you don't.
Okay. You don't have permission to film me.
Oh, hey, ma'am. I just need to get your name, ma'am. That's all. So
Thank you.
I just need to get your name, ma'am. What is it?
I'm
Ma'am.
virtually ignoring somebody.
Well, do you work for the public or not? Are you a
I'm actually trying to
volunteer?
get your attention because I don't know. I'm trying to sign in on the kiosk.
Okay.
And I don't know if I'm supposed to see the sheriff or.
So we got another don't have my permission person right here,
I don't know
guys.
what I'm supposed to do.
Yeah, we weren't even here for you, lady, and then you got to just like turn yourself into it.
Oh, he just wanted your name.
And your last name?
I just need to get your name, ma'am. What is it? Ruth Smith. So do you work for the city, or what's your position here?
How can I? Did you need some help? Okay.
Okay. So we're actually going to here to file a complaint, ma'am. So we're going to have to file a complaint on you too, Miss Smith,
Excuse
for
me.
being rude to members of the public.
We need to file a restraining order. We need to see an officer.
Sure, no problem. And your phone number?
More ignorant, rude employees who don't know how to treat members of the public, man.
702
It's getting sick of this.
Just follow me. I'll show you where to go.
What's your position here, ma'am? Ma'am, I'm talking to you as a member of the public that you work for.
Excuse me. I'll show
What's
you
your
where to
position
go,
here?
ma'am. This way.
Ma'am, what's your position here? Do you work for the city? Are you a volunteer? I need to figure this information out, ma'am.
I think you're just harassing me.
Well, I was actually just trying to have a
No,
polite
you're
conversation
not.
with you,
You're
but
not. You're actually harassing me.
no, I'm not. Do you know the
This way,
definition of
please.
harassment, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Okay, well then how am I harassing by trying to have a conversation with you and you're walking away being rude to members of the public,
You're
ma'am?
signed in.
I need help.
Miss-
I need you're
signed
bumping
in,
into
so
me?
you can just have a seat right
That's
there.
harassment. Look at you, ma'am. You're just walking right into me. What's wrong with you, ma'am? You don't just plow into members of the public because I have a camera. What's wrong with you? I don't know who you think you are, lady. I came up to you very polite trying to ask your name and your position here. And now you're just plowing into me and saying that I'm harassing you? What's wrong with you? That's against the law, ma'am. That's battery. You can't just come in and plow into my camera. What's wrong with you? What's your position here, ma'am? I need to file a complaint on you. What's your position, ma'am? Miss Ruth Smith? Are you an employee with the state, with the city, or for the county? Or are you a volunteer? What is it? Look at this lady right here. So, if you would delete that footage off your phone, ma'am, those pictures, that's going to be that's a crime. So make sure you don't delete that. I'm putting you on notice. That's a misdemeanor crime to delete that. So we're going to do a public records request.
Up there. Ask the employee up there. She did the same thing you did, and I got her phone, and I got all the information on it for taking a picture of me. I did the same thing. She took a picture of me, and I said, hey, you can't be doing that. You're on your business time. That's business for security to be handling, not you. And I got her phone, and I got the pictures of me on the phone. From her phone.
Cool, man. I'll just sit here and take
So you don't have a problem with the double standard of you photographing people
Hey, ma'am, it's all right. You can take a picture of us. It's not that big a deal. No,
without
ma'am,
their
I told
permission?
you
Don't
that you
interrupt
could
me
take
because you're
pictures
not
of me. I told you
allowing
that
me
it's not.
to. You're not allowing me to finish my
I don't have
sentence.
to. You work for me, lady. I don't work for you.
No, you don't. No, I don't
Yeah,
work
you
for
do
you.
work for me,
no, I
man.
don't.
You work for the public.
What you are is you are an instigator and an antagonist. That's what you're doing.
Oh,
you're,
but what are
you're
you then by
wasting
plowing
time.
into me and making physical contact
You are
with
the
me?
one
What
that's
is that?
shadowing me without permission.
What this lady doesn't seem to understand is that she's a public employee working in a public building serving the public. When a public employee refuses to communicate with the very people they're paid to serve, what exactly am I supposed to do? If you don't want interaction with the public, then maybe a taxpayer-funded public service position isn't the right job for you.
You're
I
the
don't
one.
need permission, ma'am.
Yes,
you work
you do.
for the public.
You don't. You have a very skewed understanding of rights. Apparently,
Oh, yeah,
if you think you can just come up and harass somebody,
I'm not harassing you, ma'am. By you bumping into me, that's harassing.
No, by you shadowing me so close that I can't even turn without running into you, that's harassment. You're the one
Okay,
harassing
well, why don't you call the police and have them come down here and see what they're going to do,
because that's
ma'am?
exactly what you want.
Okay.
You are,
No, what I
you
want is I wanted you to answer
drama.
my questions
you
and you
want
were ignoring me.
drama. That's what you want. You came here just for drama. That's your whole gig. And you're using the Constitution as a cloak, and all you're doing is just stirring up clickbait for your channel or whatever you're doing. I don't respect that.
Okay.
I don't. And you need to just leave me alone right now because you're harassing me.
Okay. Well, actually, remember when I came over here and I said,
Yeah.
hey, you know, ma'am, it's okay if you take a picture of me, but then you were ignoring me. I just wanted to get your name and position, that's all. But then you're ignoring me and walking
Of
away
course
and
I'm
being
ignoring
rude.
you because you're extremely
Right?
rude. I don't have
I'm
to
rude.
give you attention.
I'm rude. No, you have to service
No.
me, ma'am. This isn't a private business. You have to. You have no choice. It's called dereliction of duty.
So this is Yeah, I can see where your whole thing is, and I'm not being a part of it.
Okay, so then
I
you
don't
can just
want
be
anything to
quiet
do with
then
it.
and just sit there and
I don't want
ignore
anything
me
to do
like you
with it.
were. And you can be part of the story now because you want to be rude.
Yeah, 400 Roma.
Oh, okay.
Mr. What was it? Ruth Smith?
Yeah, please.
put on here.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
well, we actually also now, unfortunately, ma'am,
Yeah.
we unfortunately now I need to file a complaint on this extremely rude public employee here. So what's her supervisor? How do I go about filing a complaint on her?
Let me find out 1 second, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am.
Gosh, man, we come here to file the complaint. Now we got to file more complaints on the people that are being rude to us here.
Exactly. She went full
She's
Karen.
new, so most of them already know, as you can see.
Yeah.
You can go upstairs, nobody won't say anything. She just started, I don't know how.
Yeah, she seems
recently.
fairly new and has zero ignorance of constitutionality.
I put the 400 Roma, the sheriff's main headquarters on there for you. Okay.
Awesome.
And then apparently our supervisor's not in.
Is that her supervisor that's not in the office today, as you said?
Oh no, that's separate.
I need to speak with the lady in the red plaid shirt. I need her supervisor or a way to get in contact with her supervisor or a complaint process.
Okay, let me give you a phone number so you can call, and then the contact center can help you out with filing a complaint or
Okay,
something.
thank
This is the number for the building, and they can help you out with that.
What's your name now?
Brandy.
Brandy? Last name?
Zamora?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah,
We
you're
appreciate
welcome.
you.
Yeah, no problem.
You've been very nice.
Thank you for your kindness.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, no problem. You guys have a good day.
You too. Our friend actually from Albuquerque, his name's James Freeman, but he says back the blue until it happens to you. In fact, I say most of the time, calling the police, it just makes it worse.
It makes it worse. They stopped him for no reason at all, arrested him and took him in, and then we had to go to court, pay money, get a lawyer, for what? He didn't do anything.
Right.
We always record cops.
But his name was Cordova.
Some of you may have heard me say my last name as Cordova, just like this lady did, while other people pronounce it Cordova. Honestly, it just depends on where you're from, and I was born here in New Mexico, and that's where my family is from. So the native pronunciation is Cordova. I just wanted to throw that in there because I've literally had people tell me I don't know how to pronounce my own last name. Trust me, I think my family and I have figured it out by now. You can check me out, like on YouTube and stuff like that.
Okay. You guys should make a TikTok account.
I do, I have TikTok.
Okay.
Yeah, my socials are all in the back here. My TikTok one's right there. You can scan it. Or I got it up there too.
Okay, bet.
So, yeah.
Thank you.
Wow.